Welcome to Fourth Industrial Avenue, your gateway to tomorrow's tech today. Join us as we delve into the revolutionary worlds of cryptocurrency, AI, and the metaverse. Are you ready to explore the future? Let's dive in. First, let's understand what platforms like Nexo do. Nexo allows users to earn interest on cryptocurrencies they deposit, and also to borrow cash or crypto using their digital assets as collateral. It's like a bank, but for your cryptocurrency. Crypto lending platforms operate in a rapidly evolving regulatory environment. Governments and financial authorities worldwide are still catching up with the fast pace of fintech and blockchain innovation. For platforms like Nexo, this means navigating a complex web of laws that can vary dramatically from one jurisdiction to another. For instance, Nexo has had to adapt to regulatory changes such as the enforcement of stricter Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) policies. These regulations are designed to prevent financial crimes, but they also mean that users have to go through more rigorous verification processes. The evolving regulatory landscape indicates that the future of crypto lending will likely involve more oversight. For investors and users of platforms like Nexo, this could mean increased security, but also more compliance hurdles. It's a dynamic scenario that requires platforms and users to stay informed and adaptable. Thanks for riding along with us on Fourth Industrial Avenue. If you found this journey through tech enlightening, why not subscribe and hit that notification bell? You'll get a front row seat to all our latest explorations. And remember, while we love diving into the world of technology, the insights we share are for educational kicks only, not financial advice. Your journey is your own, so do your homework before investing. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of tech.